Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to share with you a new fresh and free bundle of premium fonts from Creative Fabrica, and you can get this amazing bundle for free with a commercial license. This amazing bundle, beautiful fonts, mega bundle, as you see, for free without any charge on you at all, okay? And this bundle includes 353 stunning fonts with a variety of font styles such as calligraphy, signature, brush lettering, and handwriting, and so on. All these premium fonts for free. As you see, amazing bundle, perfect, that you can use all these premium fonts on your print-on-demand business and your KDP Amazon or any other project as you want, okay? As you see, over 300 premium fonts for free with commercial license. Perfect. And of course, this amazing bundle is time sensitive, so hurry up and don't miss this amazing bundle, okay? And to your knowledge, if you want much more premium fonts from Creative Fabrica, you can get 10,000 of premium fonts just for $1. And for sure, you will not only get thousands of premium fonts, but also millions of graphics, crafts, interiors of KDP, Amazon, designs, clip arts, and much more. By this $1 offer, as you see here, you can get all Creative Fabrica, all library of Creative Fabrica, from graphics, designs, crafts, fonts, clip arts, designs, and so on, just for $1. In other words, you can get all Creative Fabrica on your pocket just for $1. And you'll find these links below in the first comment. And now we reach the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video, and goodbye.